Kedapo, arokere anymore.
Nena yediebo, why kireni man?
Welcome back to another lesson.
Warning. You are Bible thinking.
Member da woyemi ane nama ere yebibia bobe eyere sa terms ingeri.
My dear people, we are taking a look at animals, and my name is Obobele Parker. A gamma lizard,
Agam
alligator,
sibiri
ape,
pako
boa constrictor,
odom anikanika odomu
camel,
ike nambulo
castrated ram,
ajimina
cat,
pose
chameleon,
ogumagala
cottonmouth,
ogidikpo
cow,
nambulo
crocodile,
seki
deer or reindeer,
koro evala
dog,
obiri
donkey,
eroro asun anikanika atumpi
earthworm,
atam balam
elephant,
bela
deer,
nwa
fox,
pono
frog,
akere ngo
giraffe,
kongonangwo nama
gorilla,
tele
grass cutter,
obinchi
green snake,
esam folo
hare,
mono mangi
he-goat,
ekpen
castrated he-goat,
okiri
hedgehog,
impi
hippopotamus,
otobo
hog,
piri oporopo
horse,
asun
hyena,
dwensoku
iguana or monitor lizard,
awakeba
impala or gazelle,
tobara
jackal,
piri obiri
jaguar or cheetah,
opo chere
kangaroo,
apua
Lamprophis, African house snake,
binkon
leopard or tiger,
chere
lion,
ibulu
lizard,
ambilembile
monkey,
boko
mouse,
opepe
pig or swine,
oporopo
porcupine,
bibilabi
python,
oforofo
rabbit,
Esun.
ram,
Ajirima.
rat,
Ofunguru.
sand lizard or skink,
Asa menemeneba.
she-goat,
Eroro obori.
sheep,
Anana.
snake,
Oruwu.
squirrel,
Ekpai.
toad,
Engo.
tortoise,
Ekake.
turtle,
Obo.
wall gecko,
Warebo.
wild bush pig,
Oboy.
wolf,
Tun.
zebra.
Brumo Nambulo.
This is where we will conclude today's lesson on animals.
Mianga me membada wa mi nama oremabu agboku mangami.